Hi everyone!
Hi!
We are going to show you today a bunch of different videos you can be creating for fall, autumn, Halloween, Thanksgiving, shooting on your phone and making stop motion videos. So we're going to do this all in one day. We're going to shoot as many videos as we can. We have a bunch of our cozy clothes with us today, but I think up next we're going to go to the dollar store. What are we going to grab?
So we're going to go to the dollar store and see what we can grab in terms of fall things. So pumpkins, little leaves, I don't know,
Halloween,
pine cones, Halloween
maybe
stuff.
like little spiders, some candy.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to try and shoot a bunch of different clothing flat lays, different props with like Halloween candy, because that stuff pretty much anybody could be putting on their social media feeds. It's all relevant to the season. We've got one pumpkin here, come on, this is so cute. So yeah, we'll take you along on the journey. We're going to show you all the end results of all the videos we create, but we're also going to be filming behind the scenes of everything and the tutorials of how we shoot each video. So if you're curious how we made a specific video, you can go and watch the tutorial for that. First stop is to get some free props from this tree. Look how pretty these leaves are. Trying to get the fresh ones that aren't all dried up. Hopefully there's no pee on them. Oh shit, my mask. Alright, we don't really have a strategy here. We're just grabbing what we think is cute. We're ready to shoot our first flat lay of the day here. We've got our light set up. If you don't have a light, don't worry, just use any household lamp. We've got our curtains closed because we don't want any of the daylight coming in and shifting the light as we're shooting. Something else is we're having the light point in towards the table here, because if it's coming from up here, it's going to cast a shadow from the table onto our flat lay, which we don't want. We do have some hard shadows down there, which I don't mind. I've got this diffuser on to kind of help with it. It's a lot more, the shadow's a lot more harsh if we take that off. So this is a nice middle ground. Oh God. I've also got this Bluetooth remote, so we are I'm going to be animating from down here so that I'm not casting any shadows from the light. If I was animating from this side, you can see the shadows being cast here. Our phone is just over the edge of the desk, nothing fancy. Yeah, my hair is up, ready to go. I'm probably going to be sweating up a storm as we film, but here's our first one. We're just going to animate backwards. We've got our clothing flat lay set up here, and we'll animate it out of the scene, and then we'll reverse it after in post. Okay, I'm taking you guys behind the scenes here just so you can see all the different setups that we did. The first half of our shoot was all doing flat lays, so we had the phone over the desk and we were shooting down on the big white Bristol board there. We used those paper Bristol boards that we bought from the dollar store to do some color blocking, as you can see here. I'm going to show the final result videos of all 16 videos shortly here, so just hang tight. For now, we're going to dive into the upright shoot. So we're going to have the phone on the tripod and then shooting things up on the desk instead of on the floor. Okay, so we filmed a ton of videos over the table doing flat lay style. We are going to now move to all the upright videos, which we'll film on this table here. We've got the 3 color Bristol boards, the orange, the pink, and the black. So we use those as backdrops. Or even just as the bottom part of the video. We've got maybe 10 videos created in about 2 hours.
Jackie, are you working hard?
Okay, we're done. That was a super productive day. We got how many videos?
16
stop motion videos, all related to fall, Halloween. We didn't get too many food ones other than Halloween candy because
we didn't have a chance to stop at the bakery.
Yeah, we didn't have a chance to go to the grocery store. We wanted to shoot with all the props we got from the dollar store and everything that we brought in first, and that kept us busy. It's now 4:59, so we started at I believe 10:30. We went out, we got our leaves from from the courtyard out there, and we went to the dollar store, did our prop shopping, came back, set everything up. So
we also got distracted along the way with filming outside.
Yes, there was like a film crew outside our office, and we're trying to figure out what actor it was. So I would say a solid 1 to 2 hours of distraction between that, and also our pipes started making a weird noise and it started leaking, so we thought they were going to explode. Okay, so the final result for our 15 videos filmed in 4 hours using our phone and our app Lapse, which you can download for free. It's available on iOS and Android. We did a mix here of like more fashion related videos, and then we really utilized all the fun Halloween candy that we got at the dollar store, and then even combined some of the fashion stuff with the Halloween candy. Did a few coffee ones, tried to bring a variety of different animation styles in. So like I mentioned, we're going to release the tutorial on each of these videos. We're going to be doing that throughout the month of October. So if you're curious exactly how each one of these videos are made in our app, please subscribe. We share all the behind the scenes and the screen recording to how it was made inside of our app. Alright, that is the 15 videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you're interested in seeing those tutorials. Comment below with your favorite stop motion video. Which one was your favorite out of the 15? I'd be really curious to know. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!